Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials: an Apple ID, the iPhone, and a computer with Alt server. Connect the device via USB and unlock it. This ensures the computer can communicate properly. On Mac OS, install Alt server and enable the Mail plugin, then restart Mail. On Windows, install iTunes and iCloud from Apple, not the Microsoft Store, and launch Alt server. Once done, sign into Alt server with your Apple ID so it can sign apps for your device, and proceed to the next phase. Next, install Alt Store onto the iPhone via Alt server. Choose Install Alt Store and pick your device. Once Alt Store appears on the phone, open it and trust the developer profile in settings if necessary. Download the Delta IPA to your computer, then use Alt server or Alt Store's desktop integration to sideload and sign that IPA to your device. Make sure you enter your Apple ID or an app-specific password if you use two-factor authentication. This signing process refreshes every 7 days for free accounts, so plan to refresh regularly. Finally, open Delta and import your legally obtained ROMs through Files, Cloud Storage, or AirDrop. Configure controllers and save locations. Make sure Alt server runs periodically to auto-refresh the signing certificate or manually refresh inside Alt Store before it expires. If you hit issues, app won't install or crashes, first restart both computer and iPhone, reconnect the USB, and try installing again. If you use two-factor authentication, generate an app-specific password and retry. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.